Hey guys, it's been days. I haven't kept for a few days, and yesterday my younger brother was just watching my videos and making fun of me. So, and I like observed the pattern that yeah, I did improve somehow in some kind of way. So I've decided that I'm gonna start it again. So today we're gonna discuss about how I every time I realized that my assignment was very interesting after submitting it to my teacher. So this time, even I am doing it in our last moment. I have only 4 days left and 6 assignments in my to-do list. I just realized and thought maybe I should make a video of it. So that it didn't like it hasn't captured on. I thought I'm a Spider-Man. Forget it. So, but the thing is, we have this assignment of one subject, UMC, which full form I don't know. Someone, what's the full form of UMC?
uh, मीडिया कम्युनिके मास मीडिया कम्युनिकेशन है बट अल्टीमेट है अल्ट्रा है क्या है
Understanding mass media. It's understanding mass media and communication. It's basically a subject about
अंडरस्टैंडिंग मास
communication.
कम्युनिकेशन है शायद
Understand? Yeah, kind of. So
मास मीडिया
we are about to give our exam if we don't know the full form of our subject. So like it's a subject related to which teaches us how to communicate. It's basic stuff. Still, we learn it on the basis of theories. How some people give theories and like elaborated it in a stepwise format. Like just make just they just wrote that out on a paper like we usually do. The person who have mastered communication who just like give you steps how to do it. This is what we learn in this subject. There are many models, Johari models, etc. etc. So our teacher gave us this assignment of maintaining a diary for 7 days, which I'm gonna do in 4 days. Um, like our interaction with other media forms, or what was the purpose of that interaction, who was the target audience were, and I need to work on my voice actually. I'll tell you, I have a cold by the way. Yeah, so this is I should talk now. Yeah, so and I was talking like this again. So this is what I think, and we were making this. I was doing this assignment, and there was this other. There's a three-part in it, and the other part is like we have to make a collage kind of thing, which is too interesting. And we got this another assignment in which we have to go and ask a community which is a family just shifted from another state or city to Mumbai, so that we can like ask them about the changes they have experienced after shifting here. And then the other assignment was about regional media house. Like we do have this subject name economics. What's the another name for each of them? EMM. What's the full form of
इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ
EMM?
मास मीडिया
Economics of mass media. Yeah, it's economic of mass media in which she tells us about the political stuff and other problems and issues faced by a country. So
बेसिकली
we
हाउ द मीडिया फनल वर्क्स
yeah, how the media funnel work. Yeah, this is gonna be a good work, good sentence to describe it. And she told us to find she has allotted the states to different groups, and we have to find a regional a media house which run in their particular language. Like if I'm talking about Manipur, I got Manipur, I have to find a media house which sell news or which edit news or which give news in their particular in their language, which is Manipuri. And I'm not sure if it's Manipuri or not. Still, the language which speaks in Manipur. And the third, I've told you about three assignments. So the fourth assignment is making a film. What can be more interesting than making a film? I mean, it's super interesting. And the third assignment is it was assignment I have submitted it, and it was about how to make a sustainable brand and I have made it imaginary and all. It was so cool. I'm gonna talk about it maybe later on. And yeah, then we have PPS. It's about PR. I don't want to tell you the full form of that subject because I don't know either. It's just it's about PR, and we got this assignment that we need to find the crisis. Any crisis happened in the past. It can be related to food company, it can be related to any artist, it can be related to any singer, any celebrity, and how their PR team handled their crisis. Guys, I'm telling you, it's super cool to do this kind of assignment. It's just I am lazy and I procrastinate a lot, just not good. And
And I just make a video about it, about the assignments.
yeah.
I really.
So, yeah, done for today. It's almost okay. Bye, guys.